Okay, you guys, so I have my wig on my dome head, and I'm just gonna give you a look of the wig. Now this is a Cynthia, okay? If you don't know what a Cynthia is, where you been at, girl? But Cynthia, and the goal for this Cynthia is to make it look as good as it possibly can. It does feel silky. The lace is pretty work withable, not gonna cap. I wish it was more blonde highlights in the front because that's what it was advertised. And it's from Aussie Queen. Structure of the wig as well. So we have two clips, pins, whatever you want to call them here. One at the back, and then you have the adjustable straps, which I love. This is 26 inches, I believe. It came in a package like this, and they also gave me a wig cap. And let's just get it. So I put the wig on the dome cap with two pins. I'm just detangling it from the bottom to the top. Always remember that was a synthetic wig for sure, but remember that with all your hair. So I'm making my part longer. I feel like when you do this, it gives you a more realistic look, especially when you already have a synthetic wig. And it makes the top of your head look a lot flatter. And the flatter the top of your head is, the better your install looks to me. Now I am separating my two highlighted areas because that is the beginning of where the hair starts on the lace, and I'm going to start plucking it. You guys, the footage disappeared, yo. Just like out of there. So let me know in the comments down below if y'all want me to come back and show y'all how I actually pluck. Synthetic, human, it doesn't care, any kind of way. That's the amount of hair that I got from tweezing, and I went along the part as well as the front. So this is the bed head stick, where I'm gonna go ahead and go in the back of my wig and start flattening that area down so we can better see the part and get that part of the wig really flat. And I applied only a little bit of this because it's a synthetic wig. It doesn't need a lot. Just go in with the comb afterwards and you should be good. Don't even need a hot comb, like less effort. So it has this little thing that I don't like, but I don't want to cut either, because I know it's some black under there. And then I'm gonna just try, and I'm gonna try from back here though, because like, what is this shit? Let's just see. So basically, this is black to, I don't know. They have the hair glued on like some type of scalp. And I don't want to pull it and then the hairs come with it. Yeah, the hairs are going to come with it. Alright. Have a seat. Okay, very much giving scalp. Now that we can like see what's really going on. Very much scalp. scalp. So I'm gonna pull this back and I'm gonna basically make baby hairs where there aren't any, where there's no lace, just to let's just see. I'm really down with just trying shit out type of movement. I don't know, I'm just that girl. So I am taking hair from the side of the wig that doesn't have a lace, and then I'm taking a little bit of the hair that does have a lace attached to it, which is more so of the blonde hair, so you may not can see it really good, just to make it harmonized. But you want to part those aside. Make sure they're not too thick, not too thin, because you want to see them. And, you know, get the job done. So here we are plucking some of that hair out just so it can be a little bit thin. This, however, did just a little bit because I feel like I didn't have to pluck a lot, but you won't have to do that if you have it really thin. I'm gonna razor cut these and just get them like short and to my liking, and then go in with Got2b glue. So I'm gonna Got2b glue my edges before I lay down the lace, but I suggest that you lay the lace and then do the edges. It was just that I just wanted to make sure that the edges wouldn't look crazy or stupid before I laid it. If you get me, you see me zoomed in, put a little bit on the top and the ends will follow. Okay, honey? You don't need that many Got2b glue, but lay it the fuck down. Y'all see that part though? That part is nice, but it's very much giving Barbie doll scalp. So here's the part I regret, because I'd rather you guys do it with lace glue, because it's going to be a better stick, it's going to be a better stay. But I chose to do Got2b glue. You can do Got2b glue if you love Got2b glue, but I wouldn't do it this way where you spray it on the lace and then tie it. I would spray it on my forehead, blow dry it, and then press it down. Yeah, so I did this little elastic. I'm going in with the e.l.f. face foundation, and that's a darker color than me, and I'm laying that down all over my part and the perimeter of where the actual lace is, and that's going to give me what we call a realistic scalp. All right, but here's the tea, honey. You need to set that shit, okay? So what's going to make it look even realer is if you take a powder that is lighter than your foundation and set it on there. Y'all gonna see when I do it. It's looking really about brown, orange, just like me, right? Watch this. We're gonna go in with that light kind of banana color. Baby, took it to a whole nother level. So in order for your highlights to show, that's in the front, the two lines, you want to push the hair back. I use the bedhead stick, but it would be better for you to spray it with Got2b glue spray. And it gave me amazing results the next day. I'll show you in the clip at the end, so stay tuned. Alright. Y'all see that? It's trying to come together. It's meant to come together. And I put on, I'm saying, like, put your Cynthia on when you in between and your hairdresser can't fit you in. Put that Cynthia on when you know what I'm saying? When you gotta go somewhere, your hair not done, put that Cynthia on. Don't wear no Cynthia just for a year.
Unless it's a really good scent.
So here's the part where we're about to cut this extra lace off. So of course you want to pull it back a little bit because it's going to be stuck further than where you want it. And you go in with the smallest scissors that you possibly have or a razor, and you go in a zigzag motion, like a really small back and forth motion. Be careful not to cut your edges if you do your edges before you lay down this little thing. And we all done, shouts. This is Jay, whatever, of the wig. As y'all can see, I'm rushing my hands through it. I'm getting caught. On this Sunday, I hope y'all are enjoying your Sunday. And again, I love you guys. The subscriber week. The subscribers a week. So subscribe. Be happy, please.
Please, if you don't be shit else, be happy, okay?
Okay, I got it on food because I'm a snack, okay? It's a little food sitting on here. It's on food, baby. Because this is a dinner. This is dinner. Okay, the battery's gonna die, so I gotta hurry up. So yeah, you can make it flawless, make it work until your appointment, and then get to the appointment, and then boot on. You know, just bad all year round. You ain't gotta worry, get caught looking like a, yeah, you know, one of those. But I just dropped my hoop earring down in the gravel. I don't want it anymore. Bye, love you guys. See you in the next one. I'm going for real this time. For real, for real. Hold on, y'all see that? Y'all see how? Y'all see how?